What's the meaning of country and western? Country and western. Country and western.
Country and western. Country and western. Country and western is a genre of music that originated in the southern United States in the early 20th century. It features simple melodies, straightforward lyrics, and usually incorporates instruments such as the guitar and fiddle. The subject matter typically reflects themes of love, loss, and rural life. In recent years, the genre has evolved to include elements of rock and pop, giving rise to contemporary country music. Today, country and western remains a popular genre enjoyed by fans all over the world, and continues to influence various forms of music.